Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a contact lens review and it will be on the brand Olens, and it is their Tika 3Con collection. With this collection, it only comes in two colors, brown and grey. The overall diameter is 14.2mm and the graphic diameter is 13.5mm, which is leaning towards a little bit of the enlarging side. When I saw this collection, it really reminded me a lot of like the Vivi collection, more so like looking at the design of the lens, but when you actually apply on the eyes or seeing it on the model, it doesn't look that like the Vivi ring at all, but I felt like the pattern was very similar, hence why I really wanted to try this and do like a comparison so you guys can see whether they're identical, similar or different as well. Straight away I could see that this is obviously larger than the Vivi ring. The Vivi ring is only 13.0, which is also still a little bit big for some people, but for me it's like the perfect size. It gives me a beautiful enlargement and it has been one of my holy grail contact lens wherever I go. Like if I go on holiday, I always bring Vivi ring. If I don't want to think of a contact lens I want to wear, I would wear Vivi ring. So when I saw this collection out, I was like, I need to give it a try because it guarantees that it has 3 different colors on each contact lens. The first one is the brown one, and I would have to say this is beautiful. When I saw this, I thought it was like the Vivi ring Cocoa or the Vivi ring brown, but color wise in comparison, this Olens Tika 3Con brown is much more lighter, it's much more ashy, it's much more light gold as well. So when you put it on your eyes, it just looks so beautiful. It gives you like that beautiful blurry finish inside your eyes as well, and everything just blends so well nicely. The difference that I noticed as well is that even though both Vivi ring and Olens Tika has that thick rim, that thick brown rim on the brown, I felt like the Vivi ring one was much more thicker and much more bold as well. With this Olens Tika, you can only see a very light hint of that thinness brown. So when you actually put it on dark eyes like me, you can't really see much of that outer rim, if that makes sense, compared to the Vivi ring. Next one is this grey one, and this is actually really beautiful as well. I feel like this one has a little bit of like hazel green as well as like a cool grey and dark grey too. But with this one, again, this is definitely look much more enlarging. However, this also reminds me a little bit of the Sacred 3Con grey. So imagine wearing either the coral grey or the natural grey, but imagine like a toned down effect of it, or like the much more soft and blur finish of that, and then combining with Vivi ring, you will get Olens Tika, if that makes sense. This one you definitely see more of that waviness in the contact lens compared to the brown. So which one is more obvious on the eyes would definitely be the brown. But I love that both brown and grey, both of them you can see that lighter ashy side, like there's ash brown and ash grey for both. But at the same time, I like that the colors are so obvious on my dark eyes. So if you guys are looking for enlarging contact lens or much more obvious colors and you really enjoyed the Vivi ring, I would definitely give this one a try because these colors are definitely really beautiful. Which one is my favorite? I would definitely say the brown. Surprisingly, I just love the turnout of the brown on my eyes. It just looks very beautiful. Doesn't make me look dolly, but it is definitely very unique. I still like the grey, however, but like the brown is so much better. But yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the price is like $19, but I'm sorry guys, so the price is $19 and this is for 1 month. I do have a discount code as well, which I'll put it down below for you guys to check out. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.